Hi, this is Stacy with JDS Industries. Is your sublimation colors looking dull, not vibrant, not matching your screen? It could be a common thing of color settings in CorelDRAW that you just need to change. All right, so let me show you exactly what you need to do. Here's a file, pay attention to color. So if the color in your Corel file, if it's not exactly the same as the color settings, it will not jive with each other. So how you look into that and make sure your color settings are set up correctly, you're going to go up to Tools, to Color Management, and under Default Settings. So make sure it's set to North American General Purpose. That's what you want to start with for a default. So from here, you're going to change it a few different things. Primary color mode, you're going to change that to RGB. Rendering intent should be perceptual. Under color conversion, color engine should be none. Click on preserve pure black. Click off map gray to CMYK black. Scroll down, open policy. These next three items, you're going to say assign default color profile. Now you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. Spot color definition is going to be RGB values. Now make sure you scroll back to the top and save. Click on that floppy disk and save it as Sublimation. As you can tell, mine immediately went there because it knows it's saved for me already. So those are the correct color settings for Sublimation RGB. Now click OK. And if you notice, the colors changed because now both color settings and my file are in RGB color format, and you're going to get the best color. One more thing to change, you're going to go up to, when you go to print, whatever you use, either the print utility or the print manager, you go to the color tab, and under color conversion, make sure that's set to the print utility or print manager. Default is CorelDRAW. So change it to the other one, and then right down here, rendering intent should be perceptual. Once you do those two things, make sure to hit apply so it'll always save it for you. Now you're good to print, and you'll have wonderful colors in CorelDRAW with the correct color settings. Once you have all these color settings dialed in, you're going to spend less time troubleshooting. If you have any further questions regarding this, give us a call or find us online. Thanks for watching.